Hey Royalty fam, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Some times ago, someone requested a graduation design, and since graduation season is near, I figured what better way to celebrate than with a custom graduation design. Whether you're creating invites, t-shirts, banners, or digital announcements, Canva makes it super easy to bring your ideas to life. So today, I'm walking you through a step-by-step process to design stunning graduation graphics. And we're going to be doing it using Canva. So let's get into it. Okay, so today's tutorial is going to be very short, very sweet, very simple. So this design right here that I'm going to be using, I am going to put the name of it right here so it's easier for you to locate it in Canva. And the first thing that we're going to do is we are just going to copy it. Reason I'm going to be doing this is that overlay I just deleted. We're going to want to go ahead and grab that when we're finished our design, but it's all up to you. If you want to keep it or lose it, again, it's your choice. So going over here into elements, you can use, the photos of your loved ones that you have, or if it's for yourself and you're graduating, you can use your images. However, I don't have any images that I'm going to be using, so I am decided to just go into elements. I'm just going to grab some of the graduation elements from over here. And as always, if you do want to, you could always go ahead and you could use these designs as well on your t-shirts, because as you may know, I show you guys how to do a tutorial, but I do not own the Canva elements. So if you even want to recreate this exact design in this exact same way, go right ahead and knock yourself out. So I grabbed, so far I've grabbed 2 images. I'm just going to go ahead and just adjust it behind so I could deal with the other elements. I'm going to find the third element that I need. Once I grab my third element, I am just going to add it here to the canvas and resize it. I'm going to put it right here, right in front of this one. I'm just going to size it up a bit. Try to get it approximate to the same height that the other photo is. And then I'm going to delete the one behind. Okay, so next up, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna find a graduation hat. As you can see here, I'm just gonna put it over the D, and then I'm gonna go right up there to where that little black circle is. I'm gonna click on that and go over here to the left, and I'm just gonna, find the colors. You could do the same. I'm just picking any color, so the colors might not make sense for this design right now. I apologize. But you could go ahead and adjust it to, your school, or, your favorite color, or your child or your loved one's favorite color, however it is that you want to do it. Go ahead and do just that. Just a quick note, these are the graphics that I am using in the element section, which means that you can adjust the colors as you just seen when I clicked on it. You just click up there and change the colors according to, again, your preference. Okay, so clicking on the words, I'm just gonna change it and I'm gonna put grad. I was contemplating if I should put grad, so I was like, nah, I'll just stick to grad. So once you do that, you're just going to position it behind everything. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and arrange everything in their proper position. If you're a little bit confused about this, the picture that we duplicated in the beginning, you could go ahead and use that for reference, so you know where exactly to place it behind the elements that's already on the canvas. All right, so there you go. I only took 4 minutes and 38 seconds of your time, and a really simple graduation design for, upcoming grads. If you want to see more grad designs, I have different variations I can do for you. So just let me know in the comment section and I will do that. If not, enjoy, stay soft, keep dreaming, and let's build the life we love. I'll catch you later, novelty fam. Bye.